Okay, so a chicken walks into a library. The chicken looks around, picks out 3 books, goes up to the librarian and says,
Book, book, book.
somewhat perplexed, the librarian checks out the books. And the chicken leaves the library. About a half hour later, the chicken comes back. The chicken returns the books, picks out 3 new books, goes up to the librarian and says,
Book, book, book.
the librarian checks out his books, and the chicken leaves the library. Half an hour later, the chicken comes back to the library, returns the books, gets 3 new books,
Book, book, book.
and leaves the library. Overcome with curiosity, the librarian follows the chicken across a road, through an enchanted forest, and down to a swamp. And there, on a lily pad, sits a frog. The chicken hands over the books to the frog and says,
Book, book, book.
the frog looks at the books and says, read it, read it, read it.